Hi, it's Emily and thank you so much for clicking today's video. So for today, I'm going to be doing my Easter makeup tutorial, and I decided to make it really bright and fun by putting a bold pink eyeshadow on my lids, a purple mascara on my lower lash line, and a bright pink gloss on my lips. You obviously don't have to wear this just for Easter. You can wear this any time of the year. I thought it would also be really pretty for Valentine's Day, but I just really like how this look turned out. I think it's really bright and fun, but make sure to leave in the comments down below what you're doing for Easter, or if you don't celebrate Easter, make sure to leave a comment of what you're doing over that weekend. Now for further ado, if you want to see how I did this makeup look, let's jump into the tutorial. So for my eyes today, I'm going to be using the Morphe James Charles palette, but like usual, you don't have to use the same palette as me. You can always just use the same colors. So for my first step, like usual, I'm going to be priming my lids just to make sure that none of my eyeshadows go anywhere, and for that I'm going to be using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So I always like to set my primer with some sort of base just to make sure that all the shadows I blend on top blend smoothly, and for today I'm going to be using Flashback. So to start off, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Pinkity Drinkity as well as Skip and mixing both of those colors together, and I'm first going to be putting that all over my lid as well as blending that out into the crease. And after I have one eye all done, I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the other eye. I'm then going to use the same brush that I used for the base that pretty much has no shadow on it, and I'm just going to blend out all the edges just to make sure that everything is smooth. I'm then going to be taking a little bit of Literally on a flat brush and spraying it with a little bit of my setting mist, and then putting that all over my lid for a little bit of shine. I'm then going to be taking Escape, which is this beautiful purple color. I'm going to be taking it and pushing it up against my lash line just to enhance my lashes and add a little bit of purple color. So I'm only placing the shadow on the outer third of my eye because I want to keep it more open, and I'm also keeping it more of a soft line instead of making it more harsh. I'm then going to be going in and doing my brows next, and the products I'm going to be using for that is the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Hazelnut as well as the Benefit Give Me Brow. So I'm then going to be going into my foundation, and for that I'm going to be using the Hourglass Vanish Foundation in Beige. After I finish blending out my foundation, I'm just going to go in and spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And this is something I like to do sometimes when I feel like my face is a little bit more drier and I need just more moisture throughout the layers of my makeup. And I think it's just because I moved recently, and so I did have a change of weather. I have noticed I've been more thirsty lately, and so I do think this is something that my skin needs right now, and this is something nice to try if you ever feel like your skin is a little dry and just needs that extra moisture boost. After that, I'm just going to be going into the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Beige, and I like to use this as my concealer as well as to highlight my high points. I'm then going to go in and set my under eyes right away, and then the rest of my face, and for that I'm going to be using my usual, which is the Pixi by Petra Flawless Finishing Powder. I'm then going to go in and add a little bit of definition to my face, and for that I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra Natural Contour Powder in Shape and Shadow. I've really been enjoying doing a more natural contour lately, and so I just like taking a little bit of this powder and just lightly building it up so it looks really natural and light. I then wanted to use a soft pink blush to kind of go with my eyeshadow, and so for that I'm going to be using the Benefit Dandelion Blush. I'm then going to put a little bit more on my nose and my temples just to give back more of that natural color. I'm then going to spray my face one last time with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist before I go with my highlighter, since I am going to be using a liquid highlighter today. So for my liquid highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Frost in Frozen Peach, and I do know that some people are a little confused about how this contraption works or how to open it, so I am going to do it really quickly here on camera in case you don't know how to do it or haven't seen it before. But you first want to shake it up and just give it a really good shake so the formula mixes together. And then you just want to open this, like just twist it open. You're going to pump this because that's what gets the formula into this, and then you're going to twist it again. It's then just going to open up like this, and you're just going to press that button that you pressed here on the back of your hand, and there's your product. And then you twist this back here, It just naturally goes right back in and you're all good. So that's how you use it, and it's really fun and a really good product. So I'm then just going to be taking a little bit of this product with my fingers and highlighting my face as well as the inner corner of my eyes to give it a monochromatic glowy look. So I'm going to go ahead and do my under eyes really quickly with a really tiny under eye brush. I'm just going to be going in with a little bit of pinkity drinkity and skip and then smudging that out on the lower lash line. I'm then going to be taking a slightly bigger blending brush with no product on it and then blending those out to make sure it's smooth. So I'm then going to be going in and doing my mascara, and for my top lashes I'm going to be using the Pixie by Petra Double Brush Mascara, and then for my bottom lashes I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Volumizing Mascara in Purple Prose. But obviously the purple mascara is optional if you don't like how it looks or you're not comfortable wearing it, and doing this look with just black mascara would be really beautiful as well. And now I'm going to be going in for the lips, and I'm going to be using one of my favorite pink glosses for that, and that's going to be Daikin by Bite Beauty. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a comment down below of what you're doing for Easter if you don't celebrate it, what you're doing for that weekend, and also leave a comment down below of what type of videos you'd like to see me create next. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't joined already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.